Hey heroes!
Want a consistent kick to handstand where you can hold it at the top?
But instead, it looks like this. Less good kick to handstand reduces your ability to find the balance point.
Which is why in this video, we break down the technique behind kicking to handstand. Yup, the nays.
The yays.
And the... I don't know. Just teach me the thing already. Okay heroes, so first off we're going to show you why the short lunge is not helping you.
Now a short lunge is where your feet are quite close together and your hands are quite close to your leading leg. Now one of the reasons this is bad is because when you put your hands close to your leading leg, the energy comes down into the floor rather than along or up, and that causes some impact in your shoulders, which makes it harder to open your shoulders to find the proper alignment. Another reason why having a short lunge is bad is because when you bring your hands close to your feet, you end up breaking your shape more, where your hips are really closed, so that when you kick the handstand, it's so much more difficult to find the correct alignment again, rather than keeping it straight the whole way through. The third reason why the short lunge is bad is because people end up doing it on the spot and gainering into the handstand. The kick up in this way is short and snappy, and it makes it so much more difficult to control. They do this because they think that a long lunge takes more strength and more energy to get into the handstand, so they end up shortening the lunge more and more until they're doing it on the spot. We've shown you why short lunges are bad. Now we're going to talk about why longer lunges are better.
Now I prefer the mid-length lunge. Not only is there less impact on the shoulders and you can maintain your shape all the way up through the handstand, but also it still allows me to stack my weight, hips over shoulders, shoulders over wrists, but without too much energy or technique.
I also prefer a longer lunge for the reasons of less impact on the shoulders and maintaining your body alignment easier. However, I like a really long lunge because I feel like it gives me more time and margin for error to find my balance point. We hope you liked our video on kicking to handstand. Make sure you click subscribe and the little bell so you don't miss out on our future knowledge bombs. Enough!